This is R.D. Sharma solution, class 11, chapter 24, the circle. Exercise is 24.2. This is the first question. Find the coordinates of the center and radius of each of the following circles. So there are four parts here, four parts. So we have to find out, in every part we are given equation of the circle. We have to find out the center and radius. So let me tell you that whenever we take the equation as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. Whenever we take equation like this, the center will be minus g and minus f. Remember, it's not gf, it's minus g and minus f, negative g, negative f. And what will be the radius? Radius will be under root of g square plus f square minus c. G square plus f square minus c. So whichever equation is given, we have to compare it with this standard equation. Try to find out g and f and c, and you will find out the center and the radius. Let us take the first one. The first one is x square plus y square plus 6x minus 8y minus 24 equals 0. Now compare it with the original actual equation. X square plus, now 6x can be written as 2 into 3x. This 8 can be written as 2 into 4y. Then we have this 24 will remain as c. Now just compare it. What is g here? G is 3. G is 3 here. What is f here? F is negative of 4 because it has negative in front of it. It's negative of 4. F is negative 4. What is, see, minus is there, so you have to use the negative sign here. And what about this? Because g is plus, you see that 2gx content is plus. Minus g and minus f you have to do, not g and f. The center is minus g, so my 3 and minus 3 will be minus 3. Minus f, minus of minus 4 will be 4. So the center is g and minus g and minus f. So the center is minus 3 and 4. It's clear now. Coming to the radius. Radius is under root g square plus f square minus c, and c is minus 24. We are comparing it with plus c. So we have to mark this c as negative of 24. So what will be g now? This r as g square plus f square minus c. Minus of minus 24, make it as plus 24. Plus 24 you'll do. So minus 3 whole square, g square, 4 square, that is f square, under root and plus minus c, that has become plus. So 9 plus 16 plus 24, that will be 49. Under root of 49 is 7. 7 is a 49. So this is the radius. I hope you got the idea. How do we do it? The second equation is like this. Now the second equation also has some trick or some concept here. The equation is 2x square plus 2y square minus 3x plus 5y minus 7. 7 is on the left hand side. I took it on to the left hand side. Now x square y square coefficient has to be 1. If you see here, the coefficient is not 1. It's 2. So you have to make it 1. So divide whole equation by 2. So x square plus y square minus 3 by 2x plus 5 by 2y minus 7 by 2 equals 0. Now you need 2gx here. So you need a 2 here. So multiply it by 2. So you have to divide by 2 also. So this minus 3 by 4 is f. F is G is minus 3 by 4. Coming to f. If I have to multiply, or if I want 2, I have to divide it by 2. Multiply by 2, divide by 2. So f has become 5 by 4. But we need minus g and minus f. So make it negative, minus 3 by 4, so it will become 3 by 4, 5 by 4 is negative, so minus 5 by 4. So G and F now we know, G and F we know, minus G and minus F also we know. C is minus 7 by 2, so same thing you have to do here, G square plus F square minus C, put it here. Now the third one, here we have x square plus y square by 2, half into x square plus y square, that is plus x cos theta plus y sin theta minus 4 equals 0. So x square plus y square by 2 plus x cos theta plus y sin theta minus 4 equals 0. Now multiply, we don't need anything near x square and y square, it has to be unity. So multiply all the equation by 2. X square plus y square, and now multiply everything by 2, so 2. Just make it as 2 cos theta x, because we have to compare it with 2gx. 2gx we have to compare. So 2 cos theta x plus this again 2, put as this sin theta and then y. So you can compare it with 25y, and minus 4 equals 0. Now it's 4 to 8 because multiply by 2. So what do you get here? You get here the f as cos theta, g as sin theta, minus f minus g will be what? G square plus f square minus c will use, minus cos whole square theta minus sin whole square theta, and because c is minus 8, minus c will be minus of minus 8, that is plus 8. I hope you got the idea. We have to find minus g and minus f, not g and f. Minus and g and minus f. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 under root 9, you get 3. Now coming to the fourth part, x square plus y square minus ax minus by, minus ax minus by. So if you see here, there is no constant term here. There is no constant term. So just divide both sides by 2. Divide both by 2. Multiply by 2 and divide by 2. We need 2 here. So the f will become minus a by 2, g will become minus b by 2. C is 0 here. So what do you get here? A by 2 and b by 2, because minus g minus f we have found out. So c is already 0. There is no constant term. Just put in here g square plus f square minus c. You get under root a square plus b square. And below you will get 4. So under root 4 is of course 2. So this is the final result. Now this is question number 2. Find the equation of the circle passing through the points. Now here, all these 4 are exactly similar. So we'll try to solve one of these. We have to find the equation of the circle passing through these points. Passing through these points. So what you have to do here is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. Whenever we are talking about any equation, g is unknown here, f is unknown here, and c is unknown here. So the number of unknowns we know, we need exactly that number of equation or more than that. So we have this 5, 7, 8, 1, 1, 3. We have 3 points here. We have these points. So we'll just put x and y, or replace this x and y with 5 and 7. Put x as 5 and y as 7. So what do you get? 5 square plus 7 square plus 2g5 plus 2f into 7 plus c equals 0. Right? So 25, 5 square 25, then 7, 7, 49, then 10g, then 14f plus c, and 14f plus c equals 0, 74 plus 10g plus 14f plus c equals 0. So this is one of the equation. Now you have to have more equation like this. You have to put 8 and 1 again in x and y, and 1 and 3 in x and y. So we have 3 equations. You will be getting 3 equations. So what do you see here? C will be cancelled. I'll just show you how we do it. So because all the other 3 parts are exactly like this. So if you get something common, then you can easily solve it, because that term will be cancelled, g, f. Here you have c only as common. Others have different coefficient. So let me just give you a glimpse how you're going to go about this. We have 74 plus 10g plus 14f plus c equals 0. So you have 65 plus 16g. When I put 5 and 7, first equation. When I put 8 and 1, the second equation has come. Now subtract these two equations. Subtract these two equations. So c and c gets cancelled. 74 minus 65 is 9. This will be negative. 10 minus 16 will be minus 6g. Plus 14 minus 2 is 12f. And c gets cancelled. So this is one of the equations. Coming to take 3 and 4. I'm saying 65 plus 16g plus 2f plus c equals 0. And then you have 10 plus 2g plus 6f plus c equals 0. Subtract these two. C gets cancelled. 65 minus 10 is 55. That will be 55. And you have 16g minus 2, that is 14g. And then you have 2 and minus 6 is minus 4. Minus 4f. And c gets cancelled. So now you have two equations. These two equations. And these are simply the equation with two variables and you are able to solve it. I hope you got the idea. It will be, I'm taking this equation as 9, I'm taking on this side. So we have 6g minus 12f, so 12f. Now, I just need to change the sign. I'm saying minus 14g and plus 4f is 55. It's okay. This second equation I'm going to change. Because when I take 9 on this side, this 9 here, so I have to change the sign. It will be minus 12f and plus 6g, and this equals 9. And just try to solve these two. Okay. So we just multiply the above equation by 3. So you get 12f minus 14 into 3 is 52, I guess. What is it? 12, 2, 1 carry hand. 42, sorry. 42g. Then we have 55 into 3. That's going to be 115. Just recheck it. 165. 165. Then you have minus 12f, 6g plus 9. Just add these two. And 6 minus 42 is minus of 36. 36 equals, g equals 165 and 9 you just add, you'll get 174. 174 you get. So g will be negative 174 by 36. So just say 6 is a 36, 6, 12, 6 and 54. Okay, now g is minus 29 by 6. Now I hope you'll be able to just put this g in any of the two equation, and you'll be able to find out f. And g and f is known. F will come as minus 19 by 6. F and g are known. Put it in any of the equation, 2, 3, 4. Any of the equation, you will get f, g and c. 1 and 3, okay? So f, g, c you know. Just put it in the equation, you'll get the equation. Same thing we are going to do here. G and f and c we have to find out. First we have to put 1 and 2, then 3 and minus 4, then 5 and minus 6, then 3 equations will come. The way I told you, how do we do it? Just solve it and you get this 2, 3, 4. Solve it, 2, 3 and 3, 4. Find for f and g and then put it to find c. Same thing here. And the easy part of this question is whenever you put 0, 0, 0, you'll get c as 0. So you're getting the constant as 0. Okay. Now the question number 3 is find the equation of the circle which passes through 3 minus 2 minus 2 0 and has its center on the line 2x minus y equals 3. So we have an equation right here. And how we are going to go about the solution? This equation you have to keep always in your mind. This x square plus 2y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. And it is being said that the circle is passing through these 2 points, 3, -2, and -2 and 0. So when you put 3 and -2, if you put 3 and -2, you'll get an equation. Then you put the other two coordinates, -2 and 0. So 2 equations you have found. Now the center lies on 2x minus y equals 3. Now remember that center is minus g and minus f, not gf. It's minus g and minus f. Now put this minus g and minus f in this equation, 2x minus y equals 3. Put x as minus g, in place of y put minus f, and you get 3. So you get minus 2g plus f. Take 3 here, minus 3 equals 0. Now this is minus 2g plus f minus 3. Take these 2 and 3, try to eliminate c, you will get another equation. So as I told you earlier also how to find out for g and f, just assume g and f as x and y, like we have done already to solve the equation. You will get all the terms. Question number 4. Find the equation of the circle which passes through the points 3, 7, 5, 5 and has its center on the line x minus 4y equals 1. Same type of thing is here, exactly same. Now x minus 4y equals 1 is the equation. Put minus g and minus f, which is the center here. In place of x you put minus g, in place of y you put minus f. So minus g plus 4f, take 1 here, and this is the equation on g and f. Take 2 and 3, try to find out the equation g and f, solve the 2 equations in 2 variables, linear equation. G and f and c will come, and put it in the equation number 1. So this is just a repetition. We have already done a question like this. It's exactly same as the previous one, only the equation has changed. This is question number 5. Show that the points, there are 4 points being given. So 4 points, fifth is, show that the points 3, minus 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1 and minus 4 are concyclic. That means, concyclic means all these 4 points are on the circle. They satisfy this circle, the equation of the circle. So take any 3 points. We have already done a question like this, the second question. We have taken 3 points, and using these 3 points, we can find out the equation of the circle. This already we have done. Now what we will do is the fourth point, if you put in this equation which is found by these earlier 3 points, then the fourth point is also satisfying. That means these 4 points are concyclic on the same circle. They lie on the same circle. So you can take any point. I'm not saying that you take first 3. You can take any 3 of these 4 points, any of these, and whichever is remaining, finally check it. I told you this method. So just put the 1 time, 2nd time, 3rd time, 3 points, and g and f, 3 equation will come. Try for f and g, then try to find c, and then when the equation comes, put the 4 point. Here we will put 1 comma minus 4. So when you put x and y as 3 and minus 2, first equation has come. When we put 1 and 0, the third equation has come. When we put minus 1 and minus 2, this fourth equation has come. We try to solve these equations, and when we solve it, we get g and f and c. Now put it here, so we get a proper equation. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2f5 plus c, we are putting g as minus 1, f2 and c 1. When we put this equation, make an equation, now put 1 and minus 4. And try to see whether this 1 minus 4 satisfy this equation is there. If it satisfies the equation, then you have this fourth point also on the circle. So I'm putting 1 and minus 4 here. So what do you get? 1 square minus 4 square minus 2 into 1 plus 4 into this minus 4 equals 1. 1 plus 16 minus 2 minus 16 again. And then we have plus 1 equals 0. 16 gets cancelled. And 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So you get 0 equals 0. So it has satisfied the equation. That means all 4 points are concyclic. You can take either of the 3 to start with. There is no restriction. Now this is question number 6. Show that the point 5, there are 4 points again given here. All lie on a circle and find its equation, center and radius. So all these things, in earlier question also we found G, F and C only, and it is asking for G, F and C only. So just take any three of these points, 5, 5, you say 6, 4 and minus 2, 4. Put it in this equation and just solve these three. You get G, F and C. Now take minus G, it will be 2. Take minus F, that is minus of minus 1, that will be 1. That will be 1. So minus G and minus F are the center. Minus G and minus F are the center. 2 and 1 are the center. Then you have the center, then you have the C as 20. How do you find out the radius? G square plus F square minus C. That is 2 square plus 1 square minus of 20, which C has come after solving this. So what do you get? You get minus plus 20 under 25 is 5. So this is 5, radius is 5. Okay. Now when the equation will come, just put the fourth point, which is 7 and 1. As I said, any point you would have taken. So whichever is remaining, here we have taken first 3, so 7 and 1. Just put in here, you'll get it as 0. So this is concyclic. Same as the previous question we have done. Okay. Center also has come, G and F has come, and radius also has come. This is question number 7. We are going to take this question in the next discussion. Okay. Till then, thank you so much and take care of yourself.